Just got the fuel lines reran. It's trying to load up. Got the fuel lines reran. Got the fuel pump wiring reran. Everything tucked away with P-clamps. Needs some single chambers on it. Nah, it needs some long tube headers. And that's it. No mufflers. Right now it's got some like dual chambers on it, but sounds pretty good. But I'm gonna leave mufflers on it. Probably need some. I'd like to have some single chambers on it, make it a little louder. But I know single chambers don't flow the best in the world. But boy, I like that sound.